is Paul Porter, and this is my science project, and I am in the 5th grade at the STEM Academy. Today I'm going to show you what I did, but you see that it's already been messed up. And all the stuff has been mixed together because after when I poured the syrup in, and then after that I poured my
Well, let's first tell them, what are you doing? What is this project showing you? The different layers of what?
of destiny.
Of density. Yes.
Density.
Okay. So, first of all, I'm going to tell you to not be discouraged because I think it's awesome. Look at that. We could still see how many layers? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, and how many layers did you actually put in?
8.
8 layers. Okay. So let's start with first. You put in what?
I poured in honey, then syrup, then milk. Then soap, then milk. But the milk settled itself down to the syrup.
So what does that tell you? If the milk settled itself down lower than the detergent, right?
Yeah.
What does that tell you about the density of the milk?
That means that it got mixed when it was settling down.
Look at the camera. What does it tell you about the density of the milk compared to the density of the soap? Which one is denser?
Denser?
Heavier.
The milk is.
The milk was. So now let's switch the order. Switch the order of the... Yeah. That's all. Okay. What's the next thing you did?
Then after when I did these two, I put some water, but it got mixed up, and you see it right here. And then after that, I put in my baby oil.
Okay.
And you see it that it's right here. And then after that, I put my rubbing alcohol oil, and you see that's right here.
So the alcohol did what?
It was heavier.
Okay. So the alcohol was what?
The rubbing alcohol was heavier.
Which the word for heavier starts with the D. What is this all about? Densities, right? So the alcohol was more dense than
my baby oil.
Okay. So, good job. Then you took some objects. What did you put inside? First thing I see at the bottom is a what?
Okay, now you see there is a bolt.
A bolt? What happened when you dropped the bolt from the top?
You know, in the Spanglish show, it went all the way down the bottom. Now I used a battery. You see it right here, and it went down to the bottom. And you can see right here where the raisins and the rice, and the raisins.
You mean the raisins and the rice went all the way down?
Yep.
Wow. I didn't expect that. What was your hypothesis for the rice? Where did you think the rice was going to land?
On the syrup. In the syrup. But it's not.
Oh, on top of the syrup?
Mm-hmm.
But it was actually denser than the syrup.
Mm-hmm. And I put a grape in, but you can't see it.
So where do you think the grape landed?
Water.
On the water.
And then for my last one, a ping pong ball.
And where'd that land?
On top, cause it has no metal in it. The only thing it has in the inside is just plain air, but on the outside it's plastic. So it's gonna be like this.
So plastic. All right.
I can't do anything about it to sink.
Okay. Well, you know what? I'm gonna give you an A+ for this project. I think you're an outstanding scientist. How do you feel about the STEM Academy?
Good.
Do you like it there?
Mhm.
What's your favorite part?
Every single class I go to, and my favorite teachers.
Yeah. Okay. I'm very proud of you. It's been quite a journey, and I'm proud of the scientist that you're becoming. What do you think you'd like to become when you grow up?
That depends on what I do.
Well, one thing I noticed you like to do is watch YouTubes of brain surgeries or tumor removals from the brain. Why do you think that is? What's interesting about that?
Sometimes I just want to make myself perfect. I just want to make myself perfect for some reason. I don't know why.
So, is there something more than being grossed out about it that's interesting to you?
Insects.
Okay.
Like the cucumber beetle.
What about the cucumber beetle?
I just discovered it in the science book.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
Okay. Well, let's look at your project once more. So, what would you do differently next time?
What I'll do is put the honey, the syrup, then the milk this time,
Okay.
then the soap, then the water, and then the rubbing oil,
Alcohol.
rubbing alcohol, and then I'll put my baby oil right there.
Okay, come on back in. A plus. Very proud of you.